Transform your Pinterest into a money-making machine with no upfront costs. I'll show you the secrets. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Dive in with us as we not only explore the essentials of Amazon affiliate marketing on Pinterest, but also unveil unique strategies to enhance your visual marketing prowess. Stay tuned till the end for insights that will redefine your approach. Affiliate marketing on Pinterest is a unique blend of visual creativity and strategic business planning. It's more than just pinning images. It's about using Pinterest's vast platform to showcase products in a visually appealing way while earning money through Amazon's affiliate marketing program. It's an effective strategy for those who are visually inclined and interested in monetizing their online presence. To understand the power of combining Amazon affiliate marketing with Pinterest, it's essential to recognize the strengths of each platform. Amazon's affiliate program offers a vast range of products and a trusted shopping environment. Pinterest, on the other hand, is a visually driven platform where users seek inspiration. Together, they create an opportunity to reach a large audience and earn commissions by linking visually appealing pins to Amazon products. Pinterest's role as a visual discovery engine makes it an ideal platform for affiliate marketing. Its user base is actively seeking ideas and products, from travel and fashion to home decor and DIY. By curating and sharing pins linked to Amazon products, you can tap into this audience's interests and influence their purchasing decisions. To start with Amazon affiliate marketing on Pinterest, the first step is setting up an Amazon Associates account. This account allows you to create affiliate links for Amazon products. When people click on these links and make purchases, you earn a commission. The setup process is straightforward, but it's important to understand the terms and guidelines of the Amazon Associates program to ensure compliance. A Pinterest account is also crucial. If you're new to Pinterest or have a limited following, focus on growing your audience. Engaging content, regular pinning, and interacting with other users can help increase your followers. The more followers you have, the greater your potential reach and the more effective your affiliate marketing efforts can be. Choosing the right products to promote is vital. Select items that resonate with your interests or are relevant to your followers. For instance, if your Pinterest account focuses on home decor, affiliate links for home furnishings and decor items would be appropriate. This alignment ensures your content remains authentic and engaging to your audience. Creating visually appealing pins is a core aspect of this strategy. Each pin should be designed to catch the eye and spark interest. High-quality images, compelling visuals, and attention-grabbing descriptions are key. Remember, your pin is competing with thousands of others, so it needs to stand out. Incorporate clear, engaging descriptions with your pins. Descriptions help your pins appear in search results and can entice users to click through. Use keywords relevant to the product and your audience, but avoid making descriptions overly salesy. The goal is to inform and intrigue, not just to sell. Embedding your Amazon affiliate link into your Pinterest pins is how you'll earn commissions. However, Pinterest guidelines prohibit direct affiliate links on pins. To navigate this, create a landing page or a blog post where you can embed your affiliate links and then link your pins to these pages. You can also use social media management tools for scheduling and managing pins. These tools can streamline the process of posting and tracking your pins. They often offer additional features such as analytics and optimization tips, which can be invaluable in fine-tuning your Pinterest strategy. Timing is key when pinning. Post when your audience is most likely to be active. This increases the visibility of your pins and the likelihood they'll be engaged with. You can find this information through Pinterest analytics or by experimenting with different posting times. Group boards are a great feature on Pinterest to expand the reach of your pins. These are boards where multiple users can post content. By joining and contributing to relevant group boards, you can get your pins in front of a larger and potentially more diverse audience. Cross-promoting your Pinterest content on other social media platforms can extend your reach even further. Share your pins on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter to drive more traffic to your Pinterest profile and your affiliate links. Engaging with your followers on Pinterest is crucial. Responding to comments, answering questions, and interacting with your audience builds a community around your profile. This engagement can lead to increased trust and loyalty, which are essential for successful affiliate marketing. Enthralled by our content? Don't drift away. Subscribe, give a like as your anchor, and ring the bell to stay aboard for more captivating voyages. Ready to set sail again? Let's dive back into the adventure. Monitoring your performance on Pinterest is essential. Utilize Pinterest analytics to track which pins are performing well, understand your audience's behavior, and adjust your strategy accordingly. This data is key to understanding what types of content and products resonate with your audience. Consistency in pinning and engaging on Pinterest is important for long-term success. Regular activity keeps your profile visible and engaging to your audience. It's not just about the number of pins, but the regularity and quality of your content that matters. Patience is vital in affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Results may not be immediate, but with persistent effort and strategic planning, you can build a successful affiliate marketing presence. It's a gradual process that requires ongoing effort and adaptation. Quality over quantity is a crucial principle. It's better to have fewer well-crafted pins that genuinely engage your audience than a large number of low-engagement pins. Quality content is more likely to be shared and can lead to higher conversion rates. Staying within the guidelines of both Amazon and Pinterest is essential. This ensures that your account remains in good standing and that you're operating within the rules of the affiliate program and the social platform. Understanding the current trends and interests on Pinterest can help you select the right products to promote. Being in tune with what's popular or emerging on the platform can guide your product selection and content creation. The visual quality of your pins is crucial. Invest time in creating high-quality images and well-designed graphics. This not only attracts attention, but also reflects the professionalism of your brand or profile. Experimenting with different types of content can reveal what works best for your audience. Pinterest users enjoy a variety of content, from infographics and how-to guides to inspirational quotes and product showcases. Diversifying your content can keep your audience engaged and interested. SEO isn't just for search engines, it's also important on Pinterest. Keywords play a significant role in making your pins discoverable. Research and use relevant keywords in your pin descriptions and titles to improve their visibility in search results. Creating themed boards on your Pinterest account can attract followers interested in specific niches. For example, if you're promoting kitchen gadgets, a board dedicated to kitchen inspiration could be a perfect place to integrate your affiliate pins. Staying updated with Pinterest's evolving features and updates can provide new opportunities for affiliate marketing. Whether it's new types of pins, changes in the algorithm, or updated user demographics, being informed helps you stay ahead in your marketing efforts. Networking within the Pinterest community can enhance your visibility. Engage with other pinners and contribute to group boards. This not only increases your reach, but also opens up potential collaboration opportunities. Balancing promotional content with other types of engaging content is key to maintaining a vibrant Pinterest presence. Your account should offer a mix of inspiration, information, and promotion to keep your audience interested and coming back. Finally, keep learning and adapting. The digital marketing landscape, including affiliate marketing on Pinterest, is constantly evolving. Staying agile and informed is crucial for ongoing success. Keep experimenting with new strategies and be open to changes in the market and platform trends. Unlock the door to your digital destiny. Begin this transformative journey with a free ebook, packed with the most forward-thinking online business strategies available today. But the true expedition lies ahead. Embark on an intensive 15-day challenge, expertly crafted to refine your e-commerce prowess under the mentorship of industry leaders. Armed with actionable strategies and a state-of-the-art toolkit, you're poised to claim your place in the digital marketplace. Ready to turn ambition into success? Step forward with resolve. Click the link in the description now and set sail on your voyage to digital mastery. Clocking out from today's e-earning factory floor? Worked with the method, smooth assembly, or a few cogs missing? Share your manufacturing tales in the comments. Did today's financial production line deliver the goods? Hit like to keep the conveyor belt running. Keen to engineer more wealth-making mechanisms? Subscribe and hit the bell, ensuring you're always on the production line for profit. Before you punch out, see that video on the workbench? It's a blueprint for another efficient earning machine. Click, and let's keep constructing your pathway to financial success. Until our next shift.